According to last year data, only 5.6% employees received promotions in India. I am sure you are thinking कि promotion percentage इतना कम क्यों है? That's because कई ऐसे working professionals हैं जो अपने जॉब में promotions तो चाहते हैं, but various reasons के कारण ये possible नहीं हो पाता. Lack of higher education is the topmost reason जिसकी वजह से उनके promotions में obstruction आ जाता है. ऐसे में उनके लिए online education is the favorable option. As the whole curriculum is designed in online format. There are many degrees that one can pursue through online mode. But working professionals जो leadership positions पर पहुंचने का aim रखते हैं, उनके लिए the most beneficial is MBA degree. ऐसे ही working professionals के लिए online MBA can prove to be a great option. In this video, we will discuss whether an online MBA is worth it or not. So keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's start by understanding what is an online MBA. An online MBA is a 2-year postgraduate program जो completely online होने के साथ साथ allow करता है students को बिना campus जाए degree pursue करने के लिए. Online MBA is offered in different domains like accounting, management, finances and many more. और online MBA करने के लिए eligibility criteria है that the candidate needs graduation degree from any of the field with minimum 45 percentile. But the question remains the same. कि online MBA ही क्यों? So with online MBA, you get multiple benefits. Number 1, it helps you upscale without any career breaks. But if we talk about regular MBA, you upscale yourself, but you must take career breaks. Number 2, with online MBA, you get the benefit of LMS where you don't have to attend classes. Whereas in regular MBA, you need minimum 75% attendance. Number 3, online MBA is time flexible and cost effective. But in regular MBA, there are multiple fee structures which can become one of the reasons to not pursue it. If you pursue an online MBA, the cost may vary between 1.5 lakh to 10 lakhs. But if you pursue regular MBA, the cost may vary between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Number 4, an online MBA is the best option for any of the working professional as it does not require you to attend the classes offline. पर क्या ऑनलाइन MBA वैलिड है? तो इसका जवाब है हाँ. Online MBA holds the same value as regular MBA. And talking about its certification, an online MBA is NAAC accredited and NIRF approved. And now if you have made your mind for pursuing an online MBA, then you should definitely keep these things in your mind. Number 1, availability of technology and resources. Number 2, reputation of the institution. Number 3, personal motivation and discipline are a must. और अब आप सोच रहे होंगे, what are the best reputed colleges for an online MBA? तो उसके लिए you have Aimlay, where you get best MBA universities. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now. And for more such informational videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your views on the comment section so that we could know आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी और आप नेक्स्ट किस टॉपिक पे वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं.